This conference will now be recorded.
Good evening, everyone. Wish you a Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, ma'am.
We'll start the class now. I taught last class GST, I think. So we are going to start today cash journals. So how to configure petty cash journal in SAP? So create GL accounts for cash journals, define documents types for cash journals, documents, define number range intervals for cash journal documents, set up cash journals, maintain business transactions, set up print parameters for cash journal, define numbering groups. So cash journals can be used to record all transactions involving cash in place of posting a journal entries via transactions code FB50, that is called FBCC. So we'll do from this ones why you use cash journals. So ability to post all transactions related to cash receipt, cash payment, okay, not related to the bank transactions, not related to the UPI transfer, not related to the check transactions. Only cash transactions has to be recorded in this. So total payments and closing balance is automatically calculated by the system. So entries are very quick and easy via customized business transactions. So daily basis, weekly basis, monthly basis, we can record the transactions like reporting available. So report will be available accordingly. The what is that daily basis, weekly and current period. Cash journals can be printed easily. So it's very simple to configure, and cash journals configuration steps are like we have to do SPRO, financial accounting, new banking accounting, business transactions, cash journals. So you can write the steps here, and step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 we are going to follow today. So this is GL creations for cash journals. We have to create one petty cash accounts. I think we have created. We'll check once again. If not, then we'll create once. Then define document types for the cash journals also. We need to do that. Then define number range for cash journals documents. We need to create that one. And set up cash journals. First, let's do this points, the steps and all. Then we'll continue with the next one. Okay. So I'll open the software now. So financial accounting, new bank accounting, business transactions, cash journals. Write the path, students. So create GL accounts for cash journals. This is the step 1. So those who are attending now, you can write the path once again. Financial accounting, new bank accounting. So screen is visible to all. Students, screen is visible to you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So here you can see my triangles and all. This one you write. So this triangle symbols you should write. Financial accounting new. It is on display IMG screen. Then bank accounting. Then business transactions. Then cash journal. Let's do first one. Create GL account for cash journal. So we'll click here. Create GL account for cash journals. We have created, I think, petty cash account. Those who have not written, you can write once again. So petty cash account, what we need to do, assets. It will comes under assets. Account group is balance sheet account. Short text is petty cash account. GL account is petty cash account. Okay. So after this control data, so here we have to do Indian rupees INR already set it is posting date shortly 001 line item display. Here you need to do one more thing, G001 field status group is G001 post automatically only. This you can write this. This particular point is most important, then only it will generate. Completed. So post automatically you need to do click and then save. We have done this, we need to do once again. Next is amount limit. What is that? Amount limit. Click on this. So we have to set a limit for this. Let's open this here. So amount limit is not required. We can directly do for defined document types. Amount limit is not required, students. You can skip for that. How much amount cash journals we don't know. How much receipts, how much payment has to be done. We cannot set the limits. So if it is there some specific limits, you can do that. But right now it's not required. So we have to create defined document types, cash journal document. Third options we need to do that. So you can write what is the what is the name of this cash journals below that. First we created petty cash account, and next we are creating defined document types for cash journal document. Hmm. So click on this defined document types for cash journal document. What will be the cash journal document? Cash journal documents will be little different. See this. GLs we have created defined numbers for cash journal. So it will be start with the 01. No problem. You can start with the 01. But question is, it will comes under which group? So defined number is cash journals, change intervals, company code. So click on new entries. Document types it is asking. What will be the document type for this? Who can answer me now? Huh? What will be the account types? Answer me. Anyone will answer? Okay, this also not there, I think. Define number ranges interval. Okay, let's take TA20. Okay, students, you make a note here. Define number ranges. Don't do this first two. Define document types because your documents type need not require because we have done for vendors, customers, GST, all this tax code has been created. So to make it so we have to create this. So define number ranges intervals for cash journal document. Understood? Define number ranges intervals for cash. So set up cash journals, create, change, delete business transactions. So here if I'll click, so it will be start with the 0, 1. So what I have to give TA10. Click on change intervals. Just to check it is there or not. Change intervals. It's not there, so we need to create. Change intervals. This is intervals. Then 0 or 10. 0, 1 you give better starting only. From number, what I'll give from number. Suppose I am giving 7,000 to 799. Okay, click on insert. So it has been saved. Okay, so that is the things. Click on save. So make a note on this. Completed. So once it is done, then you can save button and back. Okay, then come back. So this task has been done. Then set up cash journals. Here no assigning is there. So I'll show you directly how to set up cash journals. Write this copy code. This part you can write. So what is that? Give company code TA10 CZ for cash journals. Where 01 is given, we'll give our company. So GL account, select party cash account, currencies INR. Give cash journal name petty cash for HO. Likewise, you can create some more rows. Correct? So make a note on this. We'll continue with the next. Completed? So copy the company code here. Cash journal. Give company codes UCD. This we have to do that. Then account number select petty cash account. Let's do with that. Okay, so set of cash journal activity. What we have to do here. Now the questions will come. What we need to do here. What we need to do, we have to select our currency, LPCZ, BR01, GL account, the petty cash account, all these things we need to create. Okay, done. Next, what we have to do, we have to select some of this. How many students have joined? All students has joined this. Why? Okay, all students has joined. So everyone is getting how to create this. Hmm? Everyone has understood how to create GLs for cash journals. Please respond. Okay, so we'll continue with that. So next is what? See here. We need to set like this, students. Copy company code 001. So let's position. So it is displaying. So here we need to do that petty cash. Currencies give cash journals petty cash HO. Yes, okay. You can create some more rows. Okay, like this we have to fill. This is company code, then business account. Will you write, students? Then I'll show you the same thing. Can you write this? Right from here, right? Set of cash journals. So understood, students, how it will be. So next I'll tell you this one. Create, change, delete business transactions here. Okay. So account, petty cash account, company code you have to give, and this one. We'll do it here. Here we have a HO. If I'll show you, you can see here what is displaying. Cash journals, KZ. What is KZ? What is AB? This is your general document. This is your vendor payment. This is your customer payment, cash journals. Okay. So I have given positions 0001. If I'll give suppose TA10, what will happen? See, I have not created, so it will not display. It is showing some other things like TR. So likewise, the thing you will give and you can change it with this cash journal HO. So what we have to do here, that is also one point. Petty cash for HO, currency, select petty cash account. Here we need to do company code, business is receipt from the bank, then ICICI GL account will be ICICI Bank, cash journal business. Then this we have to do. So this is receipt from cash receipt from the bank, cash payment to the bank, then revenue account sales. That means whatever sales we have done, that cash sales, P customer, whatever cash receipts you have done, that will be then vendors, what cash payment you have done to the vendors after purchasing the material. That is one type of questions here. So we can do it that. So I need to select one, two. So you get 0001 company code 000. Okay, cash journal numbers also will be there, but we are not going to do that. So what and all we create, we'll create this and all. This thing. You can make a note. This you can write a note, students. Cash code to give business receipt from bank, ICICI Bank, cash receipt. So here you see what I'm going to do. Here we have to change. Then use down arrow key, change. Okay, cash journal. So company code I have given. Then business or receipts, AGL account, cash journals. Better if you make it a note on this, then I'll proceed on that in the software. Okay, so here we are going to do cash receipt from the bank. So business. So how it will work? not created, I think. One second, students. Create, change, delete business transaction. In that you can do it. You understood, students, which I am doing now? Set up cash journals. Set up cash journal only we have set. We should not do anything there. So copy company code, this one CZ or something. So set up cash journals. Financial accounting, bank accounting, then business transactions, cash journals, create cash journal account. So we have created petty cash account. Then you cancel it. Next, define documents type, calculate cash journal document. So define document types for cash journal document. In this, what we need to do, with the click on positions CZ. So CZ is not there, I think. So here we have a TN1. So cash journal we have to give here this one. So what is the cash journals? It is not displaying here. One second. ABSS accounting. This is postings. Normal transactions only I'll do. One second. So this is all types of cash activities here. Document types it is asking. Document types will be GL account, I think. Wait, I'll check and NICT. So AB document types is AB. One second. Students document type is A. So what we'll do? One second, I'll check it out. So here you have to take the positions A, B. Click on this and select the AB document. Click on copy as. Accounting document this is. Huh? Accounting document. Define number ranges. What we have given number range? What number range we have given students? Huh? Do not remember? So soon forgot. 01 number ranges. So here you have to do change intervals. Create a number range as a 0, 1. Here it is there students. So 01 I think we have created this number range. Once more I am showing that. This my number range has been created. Okay. Go back. Already created this one. And define number ranges for cash journals. TA 10. Press enter or as display intervals. So we have created this also 7,000 range. Okay. Then what you have to do, SAP Easy Access document entry. Let's do document entry. Back. So cash journals. So here we have to select some of the things and you have to click on copy as. Okay, in this we need to change company code. Some mistakes is there. Okay. Position to 301. Okay, it is all corrected then. We have to go to the copy as. I am going to change with the company code. Okay, so company code I am going to change. You can also make a note. Sorry, we'll cancel it. It will be depressed center. Cancel it. C00 TA10. This is also TA10. Then we need to do this one TA10. Then after we have to go to here TA10. Next to TA10. So this is our company. So cash journal, it will ask what we need to do here. So no value selections. Cash journal number it is asking. When you know to put cash journal, then business we have to do. GL accounts we need to do. Cash journals when you know to do students, let it be like this. And we have to do the GL account. And this is your currency closed KA petty cash journals for head office or something like this we can do it. So here GL account, what will come GL account on this? So GL account will be ICICI Bank, your cash receipt from them, cash sales for bank. Okay. So C it will come business. So here cash account, petty cash account we need to select. This is a little complicated. As ICICI Bank, ICICI Bank, okay. So we'll be selecting not cash because cash related transaction. So we need to select your ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank. This is cash receipt from this year. Then what is that? This is also ICICI Bank. That is a some one more steps. I think 1 second. I'll check once. Windows slash. So here we'll check once. There is a one more steps we have to follow. I think I'll check you that is not happening here. Set up cash journals, copy code and give company code CD10. Okay. CJPR, GL account, select party, petty cash account, currency, give cash journal, petty cash HO. And likewise, still some more rows we need to do. Let's do that once. So there will be some more option. It is not just finance. I'll check. Yes, it is in down, I think. Okay. Here it is like that. Cash journal number it will ask. Without this, will not be able to do that. We'll be doing that or else next class because there is a one step is there that will be not happening. These particular things, currency GL accounts, petty cash account, give cash name, journal name, petty cash account. So we need to copy first. So how many are there? That much we have to copy. We have this here like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 rows we have to calculate. So first one is cash receipt from the bank, cash payment from the bank, and cash sales and expenses. So one GL account we have to do. One GL account. So I'll take this and click on copy as. So here I'll do that TA10. Then here also I'll do that TA10. Okay. Then here also I'll do TA10. So this is also TA10. Sorry. This is TA10. Next, here. Okay. Then GL account number. ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank. So here currency, all these things you will take INR, Indian rupees. INR, like this, all these things you have to do. So here GL accounts we have given. Then cash journal business transactions. Here it is. Student, that option is not enabled. I will enable and tell you afterwards. This is not enabled actually. So all it is showing like okay, here we have this. Cash receipt from the bank, cash withdrawal from the bank. So this is to sales and expenses. So we need to create sales and expenses also. So this is we are doing 1 second. It is once options is not dispensed. So this is cash journal for F. So then we have to do here cash receipt from this bank, cash payment to the bank. This particular option is not displaying. We'll see at last. Petty cash for HO, petty cash for petty cash account. Acha, GL account we should click. This is closed. No, I am not getting one options here. I'll check and tell you in the next class. Okay, students. So any other doubts? Because this I have to check it out. It's not there. One column is not there. So I'll check it here. Cash journals names are there. Two persons. No. That one column is not visible. So I'll check and tell you that. Maybe by tomorrow I'll check it and tell you. So will you can just try this how it will be working. I'll just solve and tell you how it will. So petty cash you can write the steps same as it is. Some point we have not done. That's all. Okay, students, any other doubts you have? So this that this is some issues there. We'll just check it with the technical things and we'll operate the tomorrow's. So this number range we have done only in the set of cash journals. There is some procedure is there. Maintain cash journals it is showing. Yes, we got it. See, that we need not to do. We have to select your cash receipt from the bank, cash transfer from the bank, cash journal transfer to bank, payment from the customer, payment to the vendors. Here we can do. Got it, students. This is a little bit. It is you have to check. So transactions number to start T8. We have not created. We need to create this. So for payment to transporter, so here I'll do company code 000001. Okay, now what to know? See, this is we have to click 1, 2, 3. Yes, not there. We need to click here payment to vendors. So here cash from bank. So I'll take 5 to 6 transactions here and I'll change it. Okay, so we have a 6 more rows. See the students. I have got to know this what we have to do here. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows. Okay, so one is payment receipt from the bank, payment to bank, revenue, that is sales, and office expenses, the customer posting. So now we'll do that one. Got to know this where to do that. So total 6 transactions. Let's copy once and change the company code here. You need to type more 10. So this we need not require. So see what you have to see. This is your receipt from the bank. Okay, receipt from bank account. You have to select ICICI Bank. So here you select ICICI Bank. Likewise, transfer cash from bank. Okay. Then this is B. B is for what? This is a payment to bank. So here also we have to choose ICICI Bank. So just click here. You have to choose ICICI Bank. Next, D for customer account. D for what? You can just check it out. I think D is for customer posting. What is that? Customer posting. So what is the things are there here? You can check it out. So we did is it from bank customer posting afterwards. Then we'll do sales and office expenses revenue. Sales will do first is revenue and then expenses. Okay. Let's do with that revenue expenses. So this I am doing first revenue. What is that revenue? Revenue will be comes under sales. Sales account. Next is expenses. E expenses. That will be what it will come, students. What it will come on this expenses. So all kind of expenses like office expenses, advertisement expenses, anything. Okay. So here we need to do expenses. So expenses. Let's take rent paid is there. Advertisement expenses and so this is cash transfer from bank, cash to bank. This is your sales account. And this is your expenses. What is that? Advertisement expenses. Expenses. This will be this is your D customers customer posting. So what will be there? This you need to write. Okay, and this is your vendor posting. This also not to read. So three things we did here. What are the four things? Cash receipt from the bank, cash payment to the bank, then cash sales, paid expenses. Here we have to do cash sales and office expenses. Sales and office expenses. Then here we have to do payment to customer. What is that? So you have to do paid expenses with it. Cash received from customer, cash paid to customer. So cash payment from customer. Cash received from customer, you write. Cash received from customer. You like customer, eh? So cash payment to vendors. Okay, like that. So all these things has done. So we have how many entries here? We calculate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total 7. So here how much we have entered? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. One more is missing out. So cash transfer from bank, cash transfer to bank, sales, office expenses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In total 6 is there, students. Not more than that. So we can do it. Total 6. Okay. After this, what we need to do, this all we have done. Next little scroll up, scroll little and see that. So here anything has to enable or not, you will check and we can post it. So here that is optional, account mode is optional. So after this you need to enter tax code has been enabled now. Okay, sales it is asking tax code. Give tax code, not a problem. Okay, we can do one thing. Tax code we can disable on this, but we need to cancel once. X3, X1 is not permitted. So what we'll do in this case, we can slash and come back to the screen. We'll check this your accounting, financial accounting, general ledger accounting, master records, GL account, individual processing, FS77. We'll just check with that. Income, sales, need to edit. So control data. Okay, this has been given students, so only it is asking. Okay, now it may work. So SPRO you can do it. SAP reference ING. Then financial accounting new. Then banking accounting. Then business transactions. Then cash journals. Then I'll do here set of parameters. Then is create, change, edit. So what I need to do here, so we need to copy first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Click on copy as. Slash financial accounting, then bank accounting, business transactions, cash journals, create cash journals for GS. So here I have created petty cash account. Here I'll create liabilities. Here I'll the income. So sales. I want to see the sales here. Or you can edit on this. So here we need to change. B is for that is for cash payment to bank. So that will be also ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank. Then here we should select sales. I'll select revenue. Here I'll select vendors expenses. Here I'll select sequentially. If we'll select, it will be easy. And this is if is not, then we have to select customer posting D, and then is vendor posting. Vendor posting is A. Okay, so here GL accounts I'll give that which account, what we need to give on the GLs, huh? On the GLs, what we need to give? ICICI Bank only, right? We need to give ICICI Bank. 1 second, students. This is little difficult. ICICI Bank. Here also we should select ICICI Bank. Hmm? Here I should select sales means revenue. Here I'll select office expenses, advertising expenses. Here I'll select customer payment. Customer, this is Sunday data. Here we'll select Sunday creditor. So this is Sunday creditor. 1 second. Sundry creditor account. Yes. So this is your sales account. This is your expenses, advertisement expenses. This is your cash purchase. Cash purchase. So what we need to do here, this is two more things is there, student. That is sales expenses with cash receipt and cash payment. We need to fill the last two ones. Okay, cash receipt from customer, cash payment to the vendors. So like that we have to enter. Okay, all it is done. Then you have to set yes. So any other things you have to ask? So please ask whatever is there. So I did two times ICICI Bank, one expenses only, one customer posting, and one is vendor posting. After this, nothing you have to do. Just press enter and try to save on that. So here we have done payment to vendors. Press enter. Account 10510 is not directly posted. Cash receipt from the customer. Where is the problem? Oh, this we have to select petty cash account for this. Cash receipt from customer. What is that? Transactions tax code. So we need to change, delete this tax code. Choose a valid functions. Tax code it is asking. 1 second. Cannot be directly posted. What is that? In the creditors, we have enabled tax code, I think. Creditors. Okay, we'll check it out why it is not taking, and I'll tell you in the next class. Till there's any doubts is as students, I will check and clear it all this, because the GST we have done with the same company, so it is happening some problems here. So let's see. We'll create or else new one that I will tell you with the cash journals. Is it okay? So that's all. So any of the doubts you have, previous classes and all, you can. This issues will solve by tomorrow itself. If not, without GST, one companies I have that will use. Clear? So that is the things. So we cannot execute directly slash. If it you are not able to exit, the push slash n. Understood? If you are not able to exit, press slash n. So sales account 1005 disconnect. Sunday data. I'll see here. Control data. I'll check and tell you that next. Tomorrow's class will be solving till that. Okay. So students, any doubts is there in the today's sessions? Today's sessions, any doubts is there, students? So cash is a little bit tricky it is. I'll just check it and solve it, because tax code we have enabled of the sales purchase. So that has to be disabled. Then we can do it. Okay. We have our online class on 6th Jan. Is there, I think. We'll let you know in the group. I think tomorrow class is there. 6th, I will tell you. Why? You have any things? Because it will be done. We'll let you know in the class only. 6th is which day? Because we have missed out some dates, na, students. So we have not conducted the class last few classes. So I think it may extend by 6, 7, 8, I think. We'll let you know in the group or else in class itself by tomorrow. So any of the doubts, anyhow, we are going to revise. That time I'll teach you the cash journals. When I'll not teach you GST once again, just company creations and normal posting parking will do. That time I'll do one cash journals, which will not be enabled the tax code. Okay, tax code means it will ask a longer procedure on that. Clear? And then one more concept learning is the theory subjects is there, and assets accounting. Little bit theories, all these two classes will be there, I think, by next week. Okay. So then we'll be completing by 8, 9, something like that, and I'll let you know which date is the exam date and all. Because due to the holidays, it has been postponed. So instead of 6th exam, maybe it will be different date. So you just keep on practicing. We'll be updating you in the group as well as in the class. Clear? So how many students has practiced in these days? Yes, tell me. We have just 2 minutes. We'll wind up the sessions today, and we'll be continuing tomorrow. So who and all practice in these days? From which day the class has been postponed for this, like holidays in it? By 7th we'll do revision. 7th, 8th, I think we'll do revision class. So 6th classes will be there. That day, Dunning or assets accounting, some theories, concepts I'll be teaching. Okay. So any other queries means you can just ask me. Yes, students, any other queries?
No, ma'am.
Okay. How much you have practiced till GST has been done? Those who have done till posting parking, please put a thumbs up if you have done with that. How much you have done, you just let me know on that. 2 3 classes I'll be giving for revisions, not a problem. Hmm? Okay, Jayashri has done. Okay. Then Sania, Ananya. Hmm? So these days you have enjoyed. Okay. So practice with this, not a problem. But questions will be MCQs as I told you before also. We'll discuss one day all T course. T course I have sent. Practice with the T course because T course will definitely will come. Only 10 15 T course will come. You have to remember for that. What I am going in the division class, I'll not do path wise, navigation wise. I'll do T code using. So T code using means in 2 days entire things will be complete except GST. Correct. So that will do on the coming classes. Clear? So what we'll do, we'll wind up the sessions today. We'll continue in the next class. Students, cash journals I'll be solving because I have to deactivate whatever I have done with this tax code, or else one more companies we have no TA 28 or something that we can use for that. We'll do normal posting and parking and we'll be doing that. Clear? No queries. We'll wind up today. So why all are silent today? No answering. Yes. Okay. Thank you for joining. Tomorrow also you join with the same link. Maybe on 6th I'll give you different link or something. Tomorrow this link will be there. Okay, connect with the same link. That's all for the day, students. We'll continue the class tomorrow. And any doubts is there also, you can ask me in the class. So bye bye. Good night.